Welcome to Scone Baking Beyond. Hi, I'm Kathy, and I enjoy making scones, muffins, cookies, and all sorts of delicious baked goodies. Today, I'm going to share with you my recipe for carrot cake muffins. Because who says you can't have cake for breakfast? These tender and delicious muffins are bursting with carrot flavor because I've added a secret ingredient. So, let's bake. When making muffins, we want to start with our dry ingredients. So we're going to whisk together 2 cups of unbleached flour, 1/2 cup of whole wheat pastry flour. And I like adding whole wheat flour to my baked goods, but I use whole wheat pastry flour because it's lighter in texture. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. We're going to whisk this together. And to that, we're going to add 12 ounces of shredded carrots. And 1/2 cup of toasted chopped walnuts. We're going to get all that mixed together until the carrots and the walnuts are covered by the flour mixture. There we go. It's all mixed up, and we're going to set this aside. And now it's time to put our wet ingredients together. I have here 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and now our secret ingredient, carrot baby food. Yes, carrot baby food is just pureed carrots, and it adds another dimension of carrot flavor to our muffins. So this is a 4-ounce jar of carrot baby food. Add that to our ingredients here. And I have 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We're going to whisk these together until they're totally combined. So now it's time to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. We call this the muffin method. And we just want to stir this until it's combined. You don't want to overmix this. You just want to make sure all the dry ingredients are combined with the wet ingredients. And it's okay to be lumpy. Okay, we're just about there. So I have one more ingredient to add, and that is 8 ounces of crushed pineapple that I've drained. I've prepared my muffin tin by greasing the bottoms only. And I have here a number 12 scooper. It's about 1/3 cup. So I'm just going to scoop in. What I like about using a scooper is it's usually just the exact right amount of muffin batter in each cup. And you want to fill these about 3/4 full. And there we go, the last one. I preheated my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to bake these for 18 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown and the toothpick comes out almost clean. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. They're done. They're nice and golden brown. When I put the toothpick in them, I got just a little bit of crumb, and that's okay when it comes to carrot cake muffins. And what I want to do when I make my muffins is that when I take them out like this, I just want to lift them up a little bit so the steam comes out the bottoms, and that helps prevent from soggy bottoms on your muffins. I'm going to do that to all of these, and then we'll let them cool completely. Our muffins have cooled completely, so now it's time to try one. I'm going to open this up for you. That looks so good. You can see the carrots in there, the walnuts in there, the pineapple in there. Oh, and it smells so good with the pumpkin pie spice. So now it's time to try one. They're so tender and they're bursting with that carrot flavor with that secret ingredient, carrot baby food. These are so good. It's like having carrot cake for breakfast. For the complete recipe, please go to my website, sconebaking.com. There is a link below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for future videos. I hope this inspires you to bake. Thank you for watching.